Men, listen up. Did you know women will tolerate your flaws, but these 4 toxic habits will make her lose respect for you fast? And here's the scary part. You might not even realize you're doing them. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to fix them, or risk losing her forever. Let's go. Women connect through conversation. If she says, "We need to talk," and you shut down, or say, "I'm fine," research shows she hears, "I don't care." Instead, try this. Give me 10 minutes to process, then I'll talk. This buys you time and shows effort. Oh, I don't know how to load the dishwasher. Really, bro? Women aren't your moms. When you pretend to fail at basic tasks, she doesn't feel needed, she feels used. Step up or watch her attraction fade. Sulking instead of speaking up? Big mistake. Women read silence as manipulation. If you're upset, say, "I need space, but we'll talk later." No mind games equals no resentment. A study found women remember broken promises 3 times longer than men. If you cancel plans last minute or forget commitments, she doesn't think he's busy. She thinks I'm not a priority. Pro tip, underpromise, overdeliver. So men, which habit do you struggle with most? Drop A if you've ever been called emotionally unavailable. Ladies, tag a man who needs this, nicely. And if you want the female version, 4 things women do that push men away. Smash like, "I'll make it next."